Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification. And if you like my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. It does count. So today, guys, we are soon hitting 500 subscribers. Yeah, we need to celebrate this because you guys, you are amazing. You are doing this and you're doing it in the right way. Yes. So please invite your friends, tell them to come and subscribe to my channel. At the same time, let them stay, let them not subscribe and run away, so I don't need hit and run. Okay. Anyways, so guys, I'm happy, excited, and I can't just express how I feel about this. But guys, thank you so much. Thank you. So today, as I had told you earlier, that I'm going to be giving you coffee beauty tips that you can always do at home. Without further ado, let's get into the purpose of this video. Our main component today, it is coffee. Coffee has anti-aging benefits, vitamin B3 for skin cancer, it reduces inflammation, it treats acne, it treats dark circles, it treats sunburns, and it has calming effects. We will need sugar. It is a wonderful exfoliator which helps to remove dead skin cells from your face, lips, and even your body to restore and refresh tired, clogged pores. It is an excellent ingredient in skincare. It also helps to hydrate your skin and it keeps moisture within. So use it as an exfoliator. We will need also coconut oil since we are going to have different coffee beauty tips. So coconut oil will help us to moisturize our skin, leaving it with a smooth texture, leaving it with a beautiful natural glow. And you can also always use coconut oil as your hair mask. Get 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can use brown sugar. Then add in 1 teaspoon of your coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can always use olive oil. So this homemade antioxidant coffee body scrub will help us to exfoliate our skin, removing the appearance of cellulite, and it will moisturize our skin with this coconut oil. It will leave our skin feeling moisturized and nourished. Coffee and coconut oils are rich in antioxidants which are very beneficial for our skin. So using this home facial remedy, it will help to remove all the dead skin cells, nourish your skin, moisturizes it because of the coconut oil. So you can always do this once in a week. So when you're applying this face body scrub, you can always apply it in a circular motion, and don't forget to be gentle with your skin because of the sugar granules which are sometimes rough. So our next coffee beauty face pack, we are going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, then add in 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, then mix the ingredients very well until you make a smooth clear paste. So this pack will help you to reduce unwanted oils on your face. It will help you in removing the dead skin cells, as it works as a great exfoliator as well, thereby giving you a smooth and a glowing skin. You can always do this twice in a week. Massage for 1 minute and leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Honey will act as our moisturizer, and if you have a dry skin, it will help to nourish your skin. It will help us remove suntan, fighting acne, it delays skin aging, it fades away acne scars, and it diminishes wrinkles. It is rich in vitamin B6. Our next face pack, we are going to need honey. Get 1 teaspoon of your raw honey, add in 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. This face
mask is going to help us turn your rough skin into a smooth and hydrated skin. This face pack will leave you smell like coffee, honey. I always enjoy using this kind of face pack. Honey is a natural moisturizer. It helps fight acne, and if you have a sensitive skin, kindly first test a punch on your hand. It is great for smoothing also your lips. We are going to need aloe vera. Aloe vera will act as our detoxifier. It will help us clear acne. It contains antioxidants. It is rich in vitamin A and C. It will also help us treat dry skin. Get 1 teaspoon of your coffee powder. Add in 1 teaspoon of your aloe vera gel. Then mix the ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. Aloe vera is a natural antibacterial substance that can help you remove acne and bacteria. It will help you tighten the skin while soothing the sensitivity. It will also help you prevent acne breakout, stimulate collagen production, reducing inflammation, fighting bacteria also.
Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed as much as I did. Until next time in my next video, please don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And if you love my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. To those who are new here, please, I have videos about workouts, facials, makeup. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye.